Hello there. Today I have decided to try another experiment like I love to do. I have got a 16" by 20" canvas, and in the middle I have put down a large blob of antique white paint ready to pour onto, and I'm going to use the inside cardboard of a large commercial roll of toilet paper. It's quite heavy, so I don't know what I'm going to get from it. I don't think it'll lift easily to move around. I could very well just end up with a an open cup type pour, but as a flip cup type style where all the paint builds up in the centre and it doesn't go anywhere. But right now I'm just going to pop that down into the middle of the paint, and my colours I'm adding to it, I will put the colour name up on the video as I'm editing it. So I'll start now popping my colours into this. I'm just hoping I have enough paint. Well, that has been fun to do. I've just got my piece of plastic here. I will lift this and eventually put it over there, but I'm not actually quite sure now what I want to do. Give it a little bit of a torch. I have got some silicone in some of the colours. I'm not sure which colours, but I know it's less than half. As I remember which ones have got silicone in, I will also put that up on the screen when I edit the video. So now I'm just going to lift it. I think I'll lift it that way just slightly to see if anything happens. Just slightly. Right, I'll let that settle. Gosh, certainly looks interesting already. I'm loving what I'm seeing. So it's going to be not muddy, not smudgy, just almost like cloudy. This colour, base colour I put down, of course, was antique white. So rather than being a white cloud, it's a, yeah, to me it looks like rich cream. So I'll now lift this side again. Get some paint out. Let that settle a bit. because of course ultimately I will be tilting off to see what I can get. And again, that way. And lift. Which just leaves that uncovered area right there. All the rest being, of course, covered. Okay, so now I am going to tilt and make sure, hope that I have enough paint on here to cover everything. That's it. That is how I am leaving it. Loving the colours. Just bright and vibrant, just beautiful. I'm so pleased with that. That has come out way better than I expected it to, particularly with it just being experimental. A lot of the gold and the copper, a little of the burgundy, and of course the orange. The yellow has kind of faded a lot, which I expect usually when I'm doing these pictures, but I'm actually quite surprised at the amount of cream or antique white colour that stayed. So just give it a quick going over with my torch. There is a little silicone showing up and some quite nice little cells in it, but overall it's giving me the colour that I wanted. Wow, I didn't notice that as I was torching. That is quite incredible. I love the way those colours and little cells are coming through the blue there. That's amazing. I'm not a big fan of cells usually. I like them on some pictures. I don't like them on others. And I certainly am not fussed on a canvas that is just completely covered in cells. But this, wow, that's really pretty. I'm quite surprised at how different it looks once you've put the torch across it. But that is lovely. I will be leaving that just like that, and I look forward to seeing how it dries. It's very, very pretty, and I'm happy with that. So before I go, I will bring it up into the light a little more just to show you how pretty it looks, particularly where the blue is. I'm so pleased with that. I'm not sure, I always say this, I'm not sure how much of it you can actually see, but I think it looks far more vibrant if I bring it up and show you in the light just how pretty it is. And I hope that I can get it all for you to see. It really is gorgeous. I'm so pleased with how that has come out. That's it for me for today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.